This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Ticketmaster app won't let me sell my tickets. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So just go to your Google Play Store and search for Ticketmaster. And then from here, just tap on the app. And guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when the app have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings. And then from here, just tap on the apps. And now find Ticketmaster over here. And once you find it, guys, just tap on it. And then from there, you should be able to see storage and tap on it and clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your application. And if that doesn't work, all you need to do is reinstall the application on your phone. So first, uninstall the app on your device, and when it is uninstalled, you can just go back to your Google Play Store and install it back again on your device. And guys, if this doesn't work to the solutions I provided, you can just go to your web browser and then on the Google, just search for Ticketmaster support. And then from here, tap on the Ticketmaster help. And guys, over here, just scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Us. And from here, guys, you will have two options. You can call them by this number, or you can email them, and also you can chat with Ticketmaster support. Just sign in to chat with them, and then from there, just explain the issue, and they will provide a solution for you. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!